Okay, and problem number 4 says a person exerts a horizontal force of 170 newtons in this test apparatus shown in the drawing. Find the horizontal force M, magnitude and direction that his flexor muscle exerts on his forearm. Okay, so let me go ahead and draw a picture for this. Okay, so we're going to say this right here is his forearm. There's some forces on it. There's a force from the string or scale or whatever you want to call it over here. And there's going to be a force from this flexor muscle, this direction. And so this is the force from the flexor muscle, and this is the force from the scale. Let's go ahead and pick a point. I'm going to pick the point down here at the elbow as being the point where it's revolving about, so kind of like this. And so we've got the torque from the scale has got to be equal to the torque from the flexor muscle. And so that's going to be 170 newtons times the distance away, which is 0.3 meters. That's going to be equal to the force M times the distance away, which is 0.051 meters, which means that Fm is going to be equal to 1,000 newtons. And that direction, by the way, you could tell from the picture there, is to the left. Now I want to think about something else here, because something doesn't make sense then. Looking at my free body diagram, I could also write an equation that says that Fs must be equal to Fm, and it's clearly not. So there must be a force that I'm missing here, some unknown force, Fu, and that must be equal to Fm. The scale force is 170 newtons, plus this Fu force would be equal to 1,000 newtons. And Fu then would be equal to 830 newtons. So this unknown force is equal to 830 newtons. Well, where's this unknown force acting at? Well, the only place it could be acting at so that it doesn't provide a torque would have to be down here at the pivot point at the elbow. So there's actually a force from the elbow that I didn't put on my picture here originally. So Fu, which is really the force from the elbow, is equal to 830 newtons, and that'd be to the right.